Today I will be reading aloud our work for today. Now I'm going to read aloud all the problems, and it is your job to pause the video when you are not ready to go on to the next problem. So if I read number 1 and you are doing the work for number 1, make sure you have the video paused before I read number 2. I will let you know when to pause the video. You can also rewind and listen to the problem read again if you did not understand what to do the first time. Make sure you put your name at the top of the page. Read the problem carefully and solve. Show your work under each question. This chart shows how many students ride the buses to school. Bus A, 15 students. Bus B, 22 students. Bus C, 27 students, and Bus D, 18 students. So, number 1 says, how many students ride Bus A, Bus B, and Bus C all together? Make sure you show your work here and put your final answer on the line. So now you're going to pause the video and do the work for number 1 and get an answer, and then push play when you are ready to hear number 2. Number 2 says, how many students ride all 4 buses? Again, you have space to do your work and then a space to write your final answer. Make sure you pause it before I read number 3. On Wednesday, 5 students did not ride Bus C. On Thursday, 3 more students did not ride Bus C. On Friday, 11 more students did not ride Bus C. How many students were on the bus Friday? Okay, so you've got all these kids who are not riding. How many were on the bus Friday? You've got time to find an answer and make sure you put your final answer on the line. Make sure you pause the video before I go on to the back side. All right, now on the back side, we are still using the chart on the front side, so you may have to flip back and forth for that information. Number 4 says, there were 10 more students who rode Bus D on Thursday. Then 10 more students rode Bus D on Friday. How many students were on Bus D on Friday? Draw a picture to show how you solved the problem. So your picture and your work will go here, and then your final answer. Make sure you pause it. Number 5, which bus had the most students on it on a normal day? So this shows your normal day. My camera froze. But the chart on the front shows the normal days. This is how many students they have on a normal day. So you're writing down which bus has the most students on a normal day. Make sure you pause that as you record your answer. Number 6. 15 students normally ride Bus A. Only 10 students are on the bus today. How many students are not on the bus? Explain how you would solve this problem. So on the lines below, talk about the steps you will have to take to find the answer to this problem. We're looking for things like, did you add? Did you subtract? Did you draw a picture? What did your picture look like? So just whatever you did to solve the problem. And make sure you write about that on the lines. When you are done, make sure you go over your work and check your answers.